The Mistakes People Make, episode 48, A Bad Case of Possession. Here's a quick quiz for you. Which sounds more natural, scene 1 or scene 2? 1. This is the house of Tina and Todd. This is Tina. The bag of Tina is green. The sunglasses of Tina are red. This is Todd. The shirt of Todd is excellent. Todd is the husband of Tina. Tina and Todd are going to the house of their parents for lunch. 2. This is Tina and Todd's house. This is Tina. Tina's bag is green. Tina's sunglasses are red. This is Todd. Todd's shirt is excellent. Todd is Tina's husband. Tina and Todd are going to their parents' house for lunch. If you said number 1, then Nigel strongly disagrees with you, as always. However, if you said number 2, then you'd better prepare yourself. Because by correctly choosing the possessive S, you've made yourself Nigel's favourite person ever. I didn't even know he had teeth. Yes, and you. Inspiring learning.